Saturday evening, southeast Texas. A weak cold front will work into the area tomorrow night into very early Monday, cooling us off just a tad for Monday. Not much, but a little bit. Of course, you're tired of the warm weather. You'll take that because we'll have, instead of highs in the low 80s, we'll be in the low to mid 70s. We'll talk about that in just a moment. For tonight, Futurecast, you guessed it, more fog expected across the area and very warm temperatures overnight. Lows holding steady in the upper 60s overnight tonight with winds off the Gulf of Mexico. It's pretty foggy this morning. We expect more fog again coming up tonight into Sunday morning as well. We'll see some breaks again in the clouds in the afternoon tomorrow, becoming partly cloudy to partly sunny in the afternoon. There's that weak front. See that in the clouds? I think southward there. Not much of a chance of rain at all tomorrow. I'm going to keep the rain chances pretty much zero tomorrow. Maybe a 10% in the lakes. We'll go a 10% coverage in the lakes for late tomorrow as that weak boundary works on down. And in the upper atmosphere, well, things fairly quiet. Big trough out over the west, but as we go into Tuesday, notice our flow becoming southwest again. There's a little disturbance. That's what's going to give us that 50 to 60% coverage of showers and storms on Tuesday. Looks like a better coverage possibly from the lakes area northward, a little bit closer to where that warm front's going to be at the time, but we'll kind of be on the edge of that. And as we go into Wednesday, another disturbance works in from the west. See the little colors of red there? That's an upper level disturbance combined ahead of the front coming back as a cold front, which you'll see in just a moment on our 7-day forecast. And after that, there's our next chance of rain coming up for late next week into next Saturday. Now let's take a look at Futurecast. Of course, this is Monday morning. The front pretty much along the coast there. That's some cooler air coming in. Not much rain expected Monday either. And we'll put this into motion. Front moves back to the north as a warm front. We have a few sprinkles in the area with that on Monday. Not a big deal. Then Tuesday, there's our good chance of rain, especially up in the lakes area, closer to our warm front or stationary front at that time. Then as we head into Wednesday, another chance of rain there. There's the cold front to our northwest. It'll push through fairly quickly on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, followed by some drier weather Thursday into Friday. Rainfall totals, and this is what I've been talking about during this broadcast here. Right now anyway, the best rainfall totals between, let's say, Monday and Thursday, north of the triangle. Some 1 to 2 inch rains look pretty likely in the lakes area. We'll be kind of on the edge of that here in the triangle, probably a ½ inch or so. This may shift a little farther south, so we'll see. That's the rainfall accumulation expected between, of course, Monday and Thursday, because we have the best chances of rain to be Tuesday, Wednesday, but bulk of that may be in the lakes area. Marine forecast for tomorrow, dense fog advisory for coastal areas as of now, seas up to about 2 feet. Not quite as windy tomorrow either as we had today. Well, water temperatures really rebounded up to 68. Tonight, patchy dense fog, lows in the upper 60s. And for your Sunday, partly cloudy, warm after we get rid of the morning fog. We will include a 10% coverage of showers for the lakes area. That weak front coming down, 1 or 2 little showers possible in the lakes. We'll keep rain chances out for inland and the triangle. Another warm, humid day with highs around 81. All right, 7-day forecast. There's that front Monday, so a little bit cooler. Instead of low 80s, we'll be in the low to mid 70s, low near 60. So that's cooler there Monday morning. Remember, the front goes back to the north as a warm front Monday evening into Tuesday. 60% there Tuesday. Better coverages up in the lakes. And then the front comes back at us Wednesday night. We'll go with a 50% coverage of showers during the day as another upper level disturbance comes in. Then it cools off quite a bit, a little bit closer to normal anyway. Lows in the 40s, highs only in the upper 50s to near 60 on Thursday. And then it warms right back up again with another pretty good chance of rain on Saturday.